Hey, today just found a really cool thing on topography. It gives you so many flexibility, right? Is for example, I have this case I have this floor, and I want the topography to fit the floor. Right now, you see here it's floating. The floor is actually floating on there. Um, so we're trying to let the topography fit the floor. How to do that, right? It's actually really cool. So what do we do? First, we need to create a model line, and we want model line follow this floor. So to do that, you will definitely first create a mass, okay, massing. Let's say we do in place massing, and um, and then you could use this pick lines and just try to find the right tool. Okay, right now, so we have the floor. Okay, just click it. So you get the model line. So make sure you got the model line. Um, and then let's see what we got here. It seems like we only got this one line, so let's just delete it. Okay, let's just go again. So you want to hover over the right place. Um, okay, remember, actually, it's really important to look at down here. Okay, you want to say the wall of chain. Okay, uh, so this is a floor. So chain of walls or lines. Click it. Then you got all the lines. Right, that's really important. Okay, and then when you select it, so we got all of them. Okay, you can actually, um, well, not you can, is we have to isolate the ones you want to export, and then we just go to file, you go to export, and export them as a cat file. Okay, DWG, and go to next, and just select this topo file, click OK, click yes, um, just leave it like here. So we have this line, and then we go back to the topography. Um, for the mask, we don't need anything. So right now it's really easy. We select the topography, we edit them, and then they will do all the points, right? Because topography is actually made by points. And then what we need to do is see here, there's one called import. Okay, there's one called select import instance, and also there are specified point files. There's different ways of doing it, right? Um, but before we do that, we want to insert the cat file. Okay, just insert them, make sure it's origin to origin, and then we could select import instance, and then see here when you hover over, they will tell you it's a symbol. Okay, it's what we just saved, and you click it. The layers usually just click OK, and you see here the topography just changed immediately. Okay, um, so what the Revit will do is they will make the points down here, and they will try to make straight points, we make them all connected, so things like those. All right, it's really cool. Just so you know. So and also oftentimes if there's a few points, you can even like copy and paste them. For example, these points you can just copy, and you can follow. See here, you can follow the edge and paste them, so you have multiple points. It's fairly easy. All right. So that's this. I'll see you next time.